I'm starting to think that this is like my signature look. A hat, a black Nike hat, and a black sweater. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So quick little intro here for those of you who are my new subscribers, because I feel like I hit 100,000 subscribers not too long ago, and I'm almost at 135. Thank you so much for coming to see my videos and deciding whether or not you wanted to subscribe to see more from me. I absolutely love doing Dollar Tree hauls. I love doing DIYs with Dollar Tree stuff. I never intended for my DIYs to just mainly be Dollar Tree, but it's just turned out that way. So a lot of Valentine's Day and spring DIYs coming soon, so click the bell so that you know when these videos are coming out. But I actually wanted to let you know that I'm going to try something new on my channel and let you guys know when my Dollar Tree hauls are going to be up. I feel like of all the videos that I do here, the hauls from Dollar Tree seem to be your favorite. So I'm going to attempt to upload Dollar Tree hauls on Saturday, Monday, and Wednesday, I believe. Yeah, Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. So let's go ahead and dive in. I have a lot of Valentine's Day stuff again in this haul, but I also have some other stuff, some new stuff. This is not new, but it's one of my go-to things to get at Dollar Tree. Anytime that I have to do any sort of return, I always get the packaging from Dollar Tree. Something that I got my daughter for Christmas, she doesn't fit her well, so we're returning it. So had to get one of these for that. I just got a text message. Sorry if I looked up there. All right, so look what I found. These beautiful pink hearts. Pink, white, and red, the traditional Valentine's Day colors, are my favorite, but I prefer pink over the red. And I love these. I can't for the life of me remember if these are new this year or not. It's like a foam glitter heart. There is some fallout, so I'm gonna take these, set them on some newspaper and spray them down with some hairspray, which should lock that in. As you can see, there's a little ribbon hook so that you can hang these if that's what you wanna do. You know these are going to be in a DIY somewhere, so stay tuned for that. I think I need to buy a third one. Another new sign, I don't know if this was out last year, or I know something like this was out last year. The question is, was these patterns out? I can't remember. But the first heart has like a little welcome sign. That heart is really pretty. I love this one. That one. XOX. All right, and in case you didn't know, sometimes when I leave comments, I love to do XOXO because that's my way of telling you that I'm giving you hugs and kisses. And I really want you guys to know that whenever I leave that endearment for you, it's because I'm just imagining like hugging you and, you know, so I hope that didn't come across as creepy at all. Let's move on. So XOXO, I found another one of these black blocked decor pieces. I love that it's flat like this, and so you can easily set it on a tabletop. Looks like, again, that you could hang these as well. So that's really cool. It just has like it. So if you were to hang it, it would look like it has an underline feature. And then here is the love. They had other words. They had memories. One of you told me they had memories. I did find that. I think I found family. Which one did I haul? Wow, I don't even remember the last one that I hauled. Got love. I really like how the O is like playful and falling, and that the letters are stacked. As I was going through the checkout line, don't forget to check those aisles where you're getting ready to see the cash register. They have a lot of really interesting new stuff, and I found this. And I love the hologram effect. I found this book. I don't know what drew me to it other than the cover, and that it was just very Valentine's Day to me. I think the cover art is really pretty. I love the black and gray. And then it just has this Alice in Wonderland spin to it. And as you can see, there's the rabbit in the chair. It is kind of a spin. It says we're all mad here. So that's really interesting. It says it's book 3 of the White Rabbit Chronicles. So I'd be interested to know, look at this lining. That was the other reason why I got this. I thought the lining was just stunning. Oh my God, the binding of this is everything. I think this is even prettier than the cover. Found some gift bags. So there's quite a bit of gift bags for Valentine's Day. And I did visit a couple stores, but still these were basically the ones that caught my attention. Everything else I was kind of like, I don't know. And I picked up some tissue paper. I don't know if this is new or not, but I saw it and I was just, y'all, I have a thing with tissue paper. When it's really pretty, I get all like excited about it. And I thought that this tissue paper was stunning. And y'all know if I like it, I buy in. All right, there is a new wall decor sticker in town. It is a donut theme. Look at this huge donut. I absolutely love this. It says do not disturb or donut disturb. How are you supposed to say it? Are you supposed to actually say donut disturb or do not disturb? I don't know, but do not disturb is what they were aiming for with the donut play on words. And then there's even like little donut holes, which I love. I don't think I've seen them do donut hole stickers, just regular donuts like this. So, picked up a new decorative box. I love these little boxes with the see-through. This one, I had to make sure it was all good. The lining, again, is really beautiful. This box just reminded me of Tiffany's, even though it's like a far cry from that. But I guess it was just like this Tiffany blue color that I thought was really pretty. So I love it. And then I found a new little mailbox, a little tin can. Comes with the little flag. They had another pattern, but this was the one that I preferred. I just didn't need to buy them all. I did pick up some of their cups. Where's the other one? I definitely thought I bought 2 of these. Maybe one rolled out in my car, but here is this one. It is a little to-go coffee travel mug, and the top has, I don't think it's that impressive. I think that the image, like, what is this color? I just don't, honestly, I don't even know why I got this. Next, I found some new gift bags. These are the cutest gift bags, and I haven't seen them do cute little gift bags like this in a very long time. And look, a whole marble set. I found these 2. I don't know if there's like a third option. The first one has glitter, and then the other 2 are just plain on both sides. But this one is beautiful. I just love these so much. And then look how beautiful these purple ones are. That's just crazy. You get 3 of these for $1. Here's the other set, and this is the one with the glitter. Oh, I love that. It's like a starry galaxy kind of sky. And then here is this color. It's really weird why they would have thrown in a pink when they were going for some sort of blue. All right, next up, I picked up some more scissors. I just hate trying to look for scissors and not finding them. And I just wanted to make sure I had a backup pair. I don't have a big pair of scissors in my craft room, so I'm getting this to stock in there because we are going to be planning soon. So heads up on that. And I found some more adult coloring books. I heard you guys when you wanted to definitely see me do some coloring on my vlog channel. So that vlog of me coloring is going to be coming out soon. I already colored the other night. But I wanted to go ahead and get some more coloring books. I'm actually liking some of the adult coloring books a little bit. So I was intrigued to buy some more, and because not every image in these I want to actually color in. So that's the only problem, is some of the images are great, but then some of them, like, I would never color in them. And then look at this one. This is like a huge book, you guys. The binding is really beautiful. Deep Sea Secrets. Sorry, I just don't know how to like show you guys in the best way what they look like. Is that a little bit better? But yeah, it's just like a cute little deep sea theme. So I love this little book. I found these little like recipe booklets. They had one for like summer salads and all kinds of stuff. The smoothie one really reached out to me because I have stuff to make smoothies, and so I just wanted to have a little recipe book. 5 ingredients or less, so that's really interesting. Oh wow, this is a really cool little book. I love that you get images. That's sometimes hard to find at Dollar Tree. When you find a recipe book, they really don't typically have images for at least every single recipe. So I love this. This is a really, really cool find. And then of course you can always substitute certain things. It looks like a lot of this is super healthy. They're saying soy milk, honey. Those are all things that whenever I watch like YouTube videos on how to make smoothies, those are always the things that people are putting in them. All right, next up are some new list pads, and they're brand new from Crown Jewels, and they're in the shape of coffee mugs, like travel coffee mugs. I got every pattern that I saw, and yeah, what? So adorable. I love that. And then here is the second set. I love the yellow lid. This one's probably my favorite. So. All right, then I found this new Jot brand notebook. Love this. The first sheet is like this clear film, and then you have the really pretty donuts, and then it's just like a regular notebook. Next up are some new candles, and what? They're in the shape of little like potted plant holders, whatever you call them, potted plant pots, where you put plants. Oh my goodness, this is not okay. Anyway, so, and the best part is, it smells divine. Herb Garden Rosemary Mint. I tried to look through everything. I didn't see anything other than rosemary mint. Did I say that right? Rosemary mint, yeah. Oh my goodness, the smells. This is, I feel like I say this too often, but this is probably one of the best candles, if not the best candle sent for me personally to Grace Dollar Tree. I don't know why I just got two. This is one of those things where you just buy as many as you can. Next one is a soy candle. Look how cute and charming this little candle is. I love this. Soy blend scented candle. It is called Joy. And it smells really nice too. Nothing about this smells cheap, smells fake, plasticky, all those things that sometimes I say in regards to Dollar Tree candles. But oh my goodness, this one smells divine. I didn't see any other style but this one. So I'm gonna be on the lookout for more of these soy candles. Next up is gonna be some new desk sets. I have not seen this before, but I got this little pencil holder. This is probably something you would put like little miscellaneous things like paper clips, erasers, or maybe like a staple remover. And then this is a card holder. You could set it like that, or you can even use it to like hold your phone, to prop your phone up. And then I found some new lip glosses. These are always fun to find and to see what Dollar Tree is gonna do next. And I think their packaging is really cute, and I really do love it. I wish there was a strawberry. If there's any other fruit, comment below and let me know. The way that the tray, the display tray that these came in, had 3 rows. So I made an assumption that these are the only 3 that they made: a pineapple, a watermelon, and a cherry. But please let me know if there's anything else. This one has the stem, you guys. The stem. That is too cute. Cherry. And this one says pineapple. Hey Jay, how you doing? Yeah, so got the pineapple, and look at this watermelon. Like, it's actually looks like it's opened. That is so cute. But yeah, and even the packaging also, not just the lip product, but the packaging is really cute too. And then these are just some 2 plain white baskets. I'm organizing my craft room, which I saved for last for sure. Okay, this is kind of random, but a hole puncher. They came out with some of these new hole punchers, and they have like a colored handle. They had black, pink, or purple. I don't know what other colors that I saw, but I went with blue. Yes, this freaking magnet is so adorable. I love this. You're my jam. It's so cute. It reminds me of like kawaii. Is that what they call it? The little like cartoonish looking household items. Like, I just think it's so cute when they put little faces on them. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna put this immediately on my fridge. I actually do want this on my fridge. Now we are down to more stickers. I thought I had hit the jackpot in my first Dollar Tree haul with my Valentine's Day stuff, but then I went to another store and they had these stickers and I was like, the hell? So I was not prepared for it, is my point. All right, bought doubles of these. Chocolate covered strawberries. This one is really fun. And I bought doubles of the little cupcakes. I love that even like the cupcake liners are decorated. These I love conversation hearts. It's very traditional, very, you look at it, you think Valentine's Day, and I do love them. I think they're so cute and simple, and I just love all the different colors. So I got 2 of those. And look at these cute little mermaids. Got doubles, but look how pretty they are. Oh my goodness. And I love these like silver backing stickers because they peel so velvety smooth. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Look at these hearts. An ombre of waves. Very mermaid-esque. Cute little lobster. Look at this little fish with the bubble hearts. Oh my goodness. Best year of Valentine's Day sticker ever, and that's saying a lot because you know how I feel about my blue elephant. Right, and I got 4 of these because I had to. Conversation hearts yet again, but as you can see, they're on that silver foil type sticker, very metallic-y, and it's like they embossed the words because you can definitely feel it. So very, very cute, very well done, Dollar Tree. Just good job. Now, if you could just only get your act together for gift bags for Christmas. And that's my haul for today. It is Saturday, so the next time that you should see a Dollar Tree haul from me should be Monday, and then we're gonna hit it up again for Wednesday and back around for Saturday. So don't forget, and I will mention it for a little while just to get everyone used to the new pattern. But I also have new subscribers, so sometimes YouTubers, we repeat ourselves. So anyway, thank you guys so much for spending this time with me, and I am super excited to get all of my stickers organized. That's gonna be over on my vlog channel. Actually, I just found the cup. It was in a bag right behind me, and it was probably in my view the whole time, or in your view the whole time. This one's actually really cute. You hold the key to my heart, and it's like the key is missing because that other person has it. This one has a red lid, so really cute. And oh my goodness, one more thing as well. So look at this beautiful jar. For starters, the jar size and the jar pattern is impressive, but then it says made with love, and they had us out with the Valentine's Day stuff, and I was like, yes, Dollar Tree, what? So really cool they have this. I only got 1. I don't know why. So there's that.